In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Adobe Express file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download your work from Adobe Express in the right format, so you can share it, print it, or post it wherever you need. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure everything looks the way you want, because whatever you see on your canvas is what will be exported. Adobe Express saves your edits in the cloud as you go, but downloading creates a copy on your computer that you can use offline or send to others. With your project open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Download button. It's easy to spot and is available on most project types. This opens the Download panel, where you'll choose the format that best fits how you plan to use your file. For images, choose PNG or JPG. PNG is great when you want crisp quality or need a transparent background, like for logos, icons, or graphics placed over other images. It preserves sharp edges and text very well. JPG is better when you want a smaller file size for photos or web use and you don't need transparency. It compresses the image to keep the file lightweight, which is handy for emails and quick uploads. If your design is a document you plan to print or share as a page-based file, select PDF. This format keeps your layout consistent across devices and is ideal for flyers, posters, resumes, and anything you expect others to view or print exactly as designed. If you're working with motion or audio, choose MP4 for videos. This is the standard video format that plays almost everywhere. Keep in mind that video files can take a little longer to prepare, especially if your project includes animations, multiple pages, or longer clips. Once you've selected the format that matches your needs, click Download to save the file to your computer. Adobe Express will process the export and then begin the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file will usually go to your default Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, pick the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. When the download finishes, open the file to double-check that everything looks right. If you see anything you want to tweak, return to your project in Adobe Express, make your changes, and download again in the same way. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Download, choose the correct format, and save your file with confidence.